Hey guys, Songboy13 here. Yes, I'm in a different area today. I'm in Loughborough, so just obviously doing my weather forecast here. And this week's weather, we're expecting to see a largely dry week. High pressure mostly around, particularly in the central and southern areas of the UK, with low pressure further to the north. But it will be quite a warm and muggy start to the week. We'll just be in the southern ridge of the jet stream, so it will be producing a bit of a warm, muggy feel. A lot of cloud though, so it's just like today. So it's not really going to brighten up much for the next few days. But by the time we get to Thursday onwards, it'll be brighter, but it will be a lot cooler. So a bit of a mixed week, but again, not much rain. So let's go through day by day. And today, as we know, a lot of cloud around, but there was a few brief warm sunny spells, and temperatures could rise to highs of around 23 degrees Celsius today. There's just a small chance of some further rain into the afternoon, because it was a bit of a damp morning. Temperatures though, as I said, getting up to highs of around 23 degrees Celsius. Chance of rain for the rest of the day, because it was a bit of a damp morning, at 10%, so drier outlook this afternoon. Tonight's weather, pretty much the same picture. Mostly cloudy skies. There will be like some clearer spells, and because of the mostly cloudy conditions, temperatures aren't going to drop a huge amount overnight. Rural areas 14 Celsius, maybe a little bit warmer than in the urban areas. So for Monday's weather tomorrow, pretty much the same picture. A lot of cloud around, a few spits and spots of rain. Quite warm though when the sun comes out, so temperatures may even reach up to highs of 24 degrees Celsius tomorrow. Chance of rain, apart from the odd spit and spot if you get unlucky, mostly might have a drier day. 20% chance of rain on Monday. Tuesday, probably the warmest day of the week. The warmest of the weather will be in our region, but again, not a huge amount of sunshine. Probably, especially in the morning time, a lot of cloud around, a few bright spells into the afternoon. Temperatures could reach up to highs of around 25 degrees Celsius by the time we get to Tuesday. Rain chances again pretty low, at around 10%. Wednesday, probably slightly cooler conditions because we've got a cold front coming in across the northwest of the UK, but still largely dry. Plenty of sunshine around, very small chance for shower. We still can reach highs of 23 degrees Celsius, just depending how long the warm air lasts us for. But Wednesday night, we could see a little bit of rain around. Again, not amounting to too much. Probably will drop the temperatures though Wednesday night, so we could see temperatures maybe close to single figures. And then by Thursday, will be a lot fresher. Hopefully a bit more brighter skies. We'll see a bit more sunshine. Again, a small chance of a shower around on Thursday, but very, very isolated chance. Most places again should stay dry. Temperatures will be a bit lower though. We're probably only getting up to highs of around 17 degrees Celsius, a little bit below average for the time of the year. And chance of rain around 20%. Not much change on Friday. Sunny spells, well, at least will be some welcome sunshine. Temperatures still a little bit down where we should be, but not by much too much. 17 Celsius by Friday. Rain chances at 10%, and by Saturday next week, well, as I got a special surprise, luckily, so far, optimistically, we'll still see some sunny intervals. No heat wave again, but temperatures not too bad when the sun is out, although nothing to write home about. 17 degrees Celsius, rain chances low again, chance of rain will be around 10%, and by next week, the last week of August, again, maybe a little bit warmer, but nothing major, no heat wave, warm sunshine, and again, mostly dry conditions. This summer has been a very dry one, not much rain we've had, and hopefully a wet autumn in hand. But yes, anyways, that's the weather for this week ahead. Mostly dry, warm, muggy start, cooler but brighter later. Special video tomorrow, 6 PM. It may be a long one, it could be up to 30 minutes, but it's worth watching it, guys. It is. I'm not going to mention any details in case I get carried away, but it's worth watching. It's on the description as well, and potentially, because the weather's looking okay, but I'm still going to give you an update on that, there may be a special surprise next Saturday, and also well, there will be weekly weather uploads, which will be on Wednesday, and also on Friday I'll be doing my first top 10 videos, my top 10 Ali Law videos. I will get more to that in the further. Enjoy the rest of your day. Storm's now out, and like, comment, subscribe. Oh, also, you can see there's a huge fire just somewhere nearby Loughborough.